Recently, I was asked why you should get into art as a hobby. I think the first and most common answer, or most expected answer, is that some people are born with a natural talent and want to make the most of their ability. This is a good surface level reason, but in this video, I'm going to be going over 3 more main benefits of getting into art as a hobby. The second benefit to getting into art as a hobby is it helps you see the world more clearly and with more appreciation. When you have never drawn before or are new to art, there's a good chance that you will categorize what you're seeing. For example, in a landscape, you might see it as grass, trees, sky, and flowers. However, from an artist's perspective, we see a whole lot more than that. For example, seeing all the grass as a whole versus looking at the grass as clumps and clusters. Another example would be looking at a flower. Instead of looking at the general shape like you would as a beginner artist, you would want to look at it as individual petals, see how those petals influence each other with lighting, how one casts a shadow on another, and so on. For a tree, instead of seeing the whole tree as a whole, an artist will probably look at it as individual branches and leaves. This perspective is such an amazing blessing, since through the eyes of an artist, we can learn to appreciate God's creation way more than we ever have before. Third, one might get into art, drawing, painting, etc. from another hobby like I did. Before I was interested in art, I was interested in interior design, and it was through designing floor plans that I eventually learned that I could draw other things and discovered my passion for art. Fourth, it's relaxing. Whether it's a simple coloring page or an elaborate artwork, either way, it can be a very relaxing experience. And it can be a time where you can enjoy what you're passionate about. And fifth, the community. I don't know about you, but being around other like-minded people is one of my favorite things that has been a result of my art journey. Speaking of, feel free to join me and other artists in the comments section, where you can ask questions or just make some friends that enjoy what you do. Anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless.